Not bigger in Georgia.
Are you blood or you crip?
I'm a GD.
You high.
You high. Children. Why did they screenshot you? Hello.
Huh?
Wait.
What's up? That's your dick.
Do it, baby. See it, baby. Do it, baby. Stick it, baby. I ain't coming to be no lady. Bitch, I need Q-tips. Shay, have you ever gotten a whooping? What? But I used to get beat.
You in the middle of my fucking business.
Like, dead the fuck ass.
That's a nigga.
Correct.
You ugly.
Never that.
You scared.
Can I see your dick? Ooh. And ooh.
Stay up here, so I can't let you do it.
Is that his voice?
Ooh, me.
Oh, my asked him, I said, you sound white.
What's going on?
You talk like you fuck good.
Yeah.
I'm a hood bitch, so I know.
Where you from?
Atlanta.
What part?
I grew up in Lithonia.
Oh, you live in Lithonia?
I live in Covington.
Yeah.
Huh?
I live in Canada.
You must be trying to get your dick sucked or something.
Just tell you what's funny.
Oh, damn. It's children in the room. I forgot. Oh, well, that's cool.
I don't like that being dead. It's kind of disrespectful.
You said what?
I don't like that bandana on your head. It's kind of disrespectful.
I'm not in no fucking gang. It's just a cute color.
Red is a cute color. Blue is too. I think you should try it.
Oh, you must be rolling neighborhood. Woo woo. That's you.
I'm not neighborhood. I'm just 6'7".
Okay. Oh, y'all out it. Something like that.
Yeah.
I got a blue and stone. I gotta find it though. That's your little sister or something over there just giggling?
That's the nigga.
That's a nigga?
Yeah.
Oh, he sound like a little bitch, but he cute. He's adorable though. Oh damn, hurt his feelings. Fuck, shit. I thought it was a little bitch over there fucking laughing. He cute, but in a weird way. He looks short, but he fuck like a monkey. It be them short black ass niggas that'll climb your back like a fucking chimpanzee and fuck your world up. You said what?
Your father.
Period. Yeah, what's happening? I'm not talking to you, Chester. That's the when I say Chester cheek, think of him. That face has a chubby. Like, listen, when I say Chester cheek, love,
Hell no.
Chester, you can say hell no. I was never interested. I see a bunk bed, bitch. You could never fuck with me. Anyways, Chester cheek, love. Chester is the name of a fucking hamster. Hamsters have fat ass cheeks, so Chester cheek is just a fat cheek motherfucker. The sleeves on his t-shirt are very short. His dick is little.
Hey, that's that little famous that little nigga, the famous nigga.
This is a good
Yeah, that's the famous. Hey, that's the famous nigga. He was on Live with another nigga.
God, I'm glad he regrouped and didn't do all that extra ass shit, girl, because I was losing faith in niggas. I'm sleepy, but I don't want to miss no. We about to get off of here, girl.
Hi.
She's like, what?
What?
Confused.
Yeah, she has beautiful smile.
So you ditzy ass bitches don't fucking see me. It's too late, girl.
What's up with it?
You can fuck me. Huh? Hello?
Damn, what you was about to say?
I had to
That
catch.
sound like you.
I had to catch myself.
You or some shit.
I had to catch myself.
Huh?
I had to catch myself, but I was good.
Shit, what was you about to say?
Nothing.
Yeah, you was about to say something. You over there freaky right now. Let me see.
Boy, my pussy is what it's. Hello?
Let me see that pussy.
It's a black screen on this camera, though.
I know. Let me see the pussy, though.
You think I'm gonna put my pussy in the camera for a black screen? You think you sound that good?
What the fuck is wrong with a black screen? Fuck, I sit here talking to you.
Why the fuck would I put my fucking pussy in the fucking camera for a nigga that I can't fucking see? I have a dick. Yeah, let's get real. I don't even have a pussy. I'm a nigga. Shit, y'all niggas are